My name is Frank, and in today's session I will show you how to install TotalCode Studio and run your first transcoding job. After you have downloaded the TotalCode Studio demo version from the MainConcept.com website, you need to unzip the package. As you can see, I've already done this. Now I run the setup file. The welcome screen appears on the screen. The TotalCode Studio setup wizard will guide you through the installation process. Click Next to proceed. In order to continue with the installation, you need to accept the EULA. Tick the checkbox here and click Install. The actual installation process now starts. It might take a few minutes for the installation to finish. That's it. TotalCode Studio is now installed on your system. If it's the first time you've installed TotalCode Studio on your system, we suggest to reboot the system. Otherwise, you can also manually reboot later on. Click Finish to end the installation process. Now TotalCode Studio is installed on your system. A TotalCode Studio shortcut has been created on your desktop. Double-click the desktop icon to launch TotalCode Studio. There you go. Now I want to show you how to do an easy transcoding job with TotalCode Studio. First of all, you need to import a file. Simply go to the Windows Explorer, select the stream, and drag and drop it into the input pane of TotalCode Studio. There you go. The file is now imported. There is also a second way to import videos into your TotalCode Studio application. Right-click in the input pane, choose Open Media, and then you can search for the right stream you want to import. Like this. The input section shows a lot of audio and video information of the file you have just imported, like the video codec, the colorimetry, the resolution, and the video bitrate. And also a lot of audio settings, like again the audio codec, the sample rate, and also the number of channels. If you have chosen a stream for transcoding, simply drag it from the input section into the output section like this. It's now ready for transcoding. Now you are almost done setting up a transcoding job in TotalCode Studio. The only thing missing is selecting one of the more than 100 ready-to-use presets within the application. You got presets for professional camcorders from Sony and Panasonic, presets for adaptive streaming formats like MPEG-Dash and Apple HLS, and presets for all sorts of other devices and use cases. For this tutorial, we choose a Sony XAVC Long Op preset, like this. TotalCode Studio offers many options to tweak your video, audio, as well as maxer options. But to keep it simple, we leave the settings as is. Now we need to specify an output file name. Go to this button, click it, and choose a proper file name. TCS Tutorial. There you go. Now we can start the transcoding process by clicking this little triangle here. The progress bar will show the transcoding process. We are almost there. In a few seconds, TotalCode Studio will be finished with the transcoding job. Congratulations! You have finished your first transcoding job in TotalCode Studio. You can now take a look at the output file in the integrated player. There you go. Your output file looks pretty good. Thanks a lot for joining our first video tutorial on TotalCode Studio.